Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
What's good, YouTube? It is I know your boy Baba Calibre 2.0, and I'm back again. I'm back again with another banger, baby. Back again with another banger. Hey man, yo, I know guys, it's been a while since you guys have seen me on YouTube, but hey man, I promise to you guys that I'm back. And like, I'm not only back, but I'm back home. So like, obviously that means I'll be cooking here in my weekend type shit. You get, hey man, yo, I don't wanna talk too much, man. I don't wanna talk too much because I'm shooting this video like at a short. Bro, I don't care. Hey man, on today, yo, dog, at a short what? Hey man, on today's video, I'm going to be pranking on my little sister because I'm home, dog. So like, I feel so bad that I've been pranking other people and I don't prank my family. So like right now, like it's only me and her that are left here in the house. So I have to cook her before they all get back. My mom went to church and I don't know where my dad is. I don't know where my brother is. But like, I gotta cook her, bro. It's me and her. So like, if she panics, she has nowhere to go, bro. Where is she going to cry? Exactly, bro. If my mom was here, she was going to call mom. But like, since she's alone, I wanna see how she's going to react. On today's video, I'm going to be coughing blood, and I'll be using food coloring. You know, food coloring, so that I don't know, man, to get a reaction, bro. I just hope she's going to react the way I want her to react. Yeah. Hey man, if it's your first time on my channel, please make sure you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below for more pranks. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we'll find out soon. Without wasting time, let's get into this video. Hey man, hey yo guys, you guys can tell on today's video I'm with my little sister, man. Hey man, there's only 2 of us left at home. So like, I was like, yo, let's shoot a YouTube video. Why do we have to be bored while we can shoot something? You get me? Bro, why is the cam only catching you though? Nah. Okay, I bet. Hey man, on today's video, I'm going to be asking my little sister some general knowledge questions. Each answer she gets right, it's 1 rand.
Here comes the money!
Here we go. Money talk.
1 rand. Each answer you get, it's 1 rand. You all agree, right? Self-woman. Yeah. Hey man, subscribe to the channel if you're new, bro. Subscribe, bro. I promise to you, bro. Let's get to 1K before the end of the year. Let's get to 1K, bro. Without wasting time, let's get into this video. Alright. Okay, tell the people to subscribe.
Subscribe, guys.
Time shit. Hey man, so like the first question. The first question, what does ANC stand for?
African National Congress.
Yo, how did you know that?
Yeah.
Yo, now I thought my mom doesn't pay school fees for free. You gave me. Alright, it's 1 rand, man. Yo, where are those? African National Congress type shit. The second question, who's the first black president of South Africa?
Nelson Mandela.
Yo! Nah. Yo, that's crazy, though. The third question, who is... Nah. How many planets do we have? So that's the statement. forgot to say, if you get the answer wrong, it's -1 rand. Yeah, like like that is for it. Yeah, it's -1 rand. You force the answer, you -1 rand. Yeah. The next one, how many provinces do we have? How many provinces do we have in South Africa?
We got 9 provinces.
Yo. How old are you?
I'm 14.
14.
No, 15.
Yeah! Yo! Nah,
No, 15.
nah,
Yo.
crazy. You don't know your age now. You don't know your age now. Oh, you said 9, eh? Nah, I already gave you. I give you.
Yes.
I go. 9 provinces. Okay. Who is the second president of South Africa?
Second.
Yeah.
I think Jacob Zuma.
No.
Okay.
Nope. Give me my money. Just give me my money. Just give me my money. The next one. What is a product?
A product. Like more like.
Yeah.
A product is an answer to a multiplication sum.
Yeah. Yeah, you are cool, Jimmy. Yo, it's 3 rand, eh?
Two.
Oh, alright. The next one. What is energy?
Energy is the ability to do work.
Okay, Lolo. Okay. You're making money, eh? The next question. How much is 99,000 plus 1?
99,001.
Yeah! Yo, how do you know that? Yo, nah, give me change. Give me. Yo, how did you know that? Hey, that's crazy. Okay. The next one, what does DA stand for?
DA. I guess.
What does EFF? Yo. What does EFF stands for?
EFF, isn't it Economical Freedom Fighters?
Yo, you escaping my mind, you. Yo, you escaping my mind. Yo, I'm out of questions now. I don't know which one should I shoot now. What is photosynthesis?
No.
Yo, you in grade 10? No, nah, you in grade 10, boy.
Process whereby animals make their own food.
Nah. Yo, when did you do that? Grade 9 or 10?
4.
Photosynthesis. That means like you haven't done it on grade 10 and 9.
Since 4, 5, 6. Like after it since grade 4.
Did you do it this year?
Yeah.
Photosynthesis. Yo, you're just crazy. Alright. The next one is yo. Okay, I already asked you what is ANC, man. Okay. Which gas do we breathe in?
Oxygen.
Yeah, you are smart, boy. Tell me. Bro, you're supposed to be on the camera, bro. What are you doing? Hey! Hey! Yo, why does this look so real, dog? Guys, subscribe. I think I fucked up when my mom gets it. Yo, she will murder me. Subscribe. How do you feel?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Yeah. Hey man, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the video. Guys, I'm here to work overtime. You guys should expect a video from me every week. Yeah man, this is my little sister, and this is like our first video together, and I think from now on we will be shooting videos together. I don't know, here and there, but like I'm gonna make sure she's part of my channel because of, I don't know what I did to her or because she participated. I don't know, man, but like we're gonna be cooking together, bro. Hey man, if it's your first time on my channel, nah bro, what am I? Nah, subscribe to the channel. Like you are now right now, right? You thought I was lying? Yo. Nah, you know what's crazy, man? I was still breathing though. Man, like people can like, yo, people they still breathe whenever like they die or something. They'll stop breathing after a while. But hey, subscribe, bro. Subscribe to see me cooking here again, dog. Subscribe. Like she was about to call mom, dog. She was about to call mom. Like she was shaking like that ass. The reason why I stopped shooting it was because like she was out of the camera. So I was like, nah, dog. What's the use of her not showing herself on the cam? But then like it's a crime, bro. So next time I'm trying to like put the cam further away, so that like whenever she tries to do something, she will show up. But hey man, thank you for watching the video. Like the video, bro. Let's get this video to 100 likes. I don't know, man. Kobe season. Tell the people to subscribe, bro.
Subscribe.